what's going on, guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. And today I'm going to be telling you what we've got in our garden so far with all the videos that we've done and what you can expect over the next week. So the first thing we are going to be recapping is up here. Now you'll remember a couple of videos back that we planted some cauliflower here, and we were looking what flowers keep away certain bugs and other things, and marigolds keep away black flies. But me, being a silly boy, we planted nasturtium seeds, but it's gonna look pretty anyway. And then as we move over the bed, we got some spring onions that should be coming up in a little while, and we've got a nice apple tree here which will hopefully grow some apples this year. We didn't have any last year, so hopefully it'll be nice to have our first produce of apple. So if you can remember, in my second ever video, I showed you de-stoning and de-weeding the bed. And as you can see in this bed here, because it's been so sunny recently, and it's been quite nice, unfortunately we ain't been able to get out to it, but you can already see that there's some weeds coming back. And so as we move over to this bed, this is what we've been focusing on in the last couple of videos. So here we've got some nasturtiums. As you can see, the soil's all started to come together. And then as we move up, just before the paving stones, we've got some carrots in them. And everything that we've planted so far has had to keep moist. So we're checking it every other day. Well, we're checking it every day and watering every other day. That's what we've been finding at the moment. So right here, in front of our tulips, we planted some marigold seeds, and hopefully we can get some lovely marigold soon. So here we have some summer flowers, and yeah, so hopefully they'll be nice quite soon. And as we walk down, we've got some snowdrops, and we've got a couple other things. And I'm going to show you our cold frame in a minute and what we've been doing on our cold frame. Here, the thing's just come down, so let me bear with me a sec. So here, last episode, we planted some pepper chilies, and in these pots we have some courgettes, which we did a couple episodes back, and that's what the rest of the pots are. And so down at the very bottom here we have some lavender, rosemary and sweet peas down here, and that's what these pots are at the bottom. So now I'm going to be telling you what you can expect over the next week. But first, before we get into that, as you can see, we have our bird table up the top, which my dad and my mum did a slight repair job on, because as you can see, we've had to improvise with a little bit of a wood stick. So all it is it's 4 screws, and it's just stuck to the bit that was broken, and there's some bird food, but I don't think any birds have been here, so hopefully that will change. But and as well, my mum's been painting the steps on this side and that side, and the walls here, as you can see, it's a bit nicer than what you might have seen in my first ever video. And so things you can see over the next week. So down the bottom here we have some wood and stuff, and we have a chipper at our front door, and we are going to be just shredding, and we'll be using the shredded wood around our garden. And as well, we are going to be planting some more seeds. We've done quite a few videos on that recently. That's what we're going to be doing over the next couple of weeks. So we have a few climbers around our garden, and in a later video in the week we are going to be building some frames, because at the certain circumstances at the moment we can't get out and buy ready-made ones. So as we walk over, you will see 2 Betsy climbers, the first one being this one and the first one being that one over there. And so our aim is to build our own homemade climbers. So we also have some smaller climbers, you will see, and once they get a bit bigger, we're probably going to do the same what we did with the big ones. So we've also got some more vegetables to plant, but that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. But I hope you enjoyed today's Grow Your Imagination upload, but I will see you soon, guys. Bye. another video coming up is we have a few climbers around our garden, and they're a bit messy, so we want to try tidying them up. So we're going to be building our own frame. Due to the circumstances at the moment, we can't get out and go buy some because only essential shops are open. So as we walk over, you will see two messy climbers. So this is our first one, and over here is our second one. So what we're going to be doing is we're going, and so here we had a second pack of nasturtium, so we put the second pack here, and hopefully we can get some soon. And so over